Hello everyone friends on the Weller channel. Today I will show you how to change or reset your login password through a phone number in PUBG Mobile. To do this, when logging in, click here on the phone number or email address. Click Forgot Password and enter your phone number here. After entering the number, click Get Code. So I entered my code. Next, enter a new password here. And after entering a new password, I press the OK button. That's it. Well, accordingly, we changed the password. Now, enter the new password here. That's it. Well, you need to pass the captcha. In general, it is simple. 1, then 2 and 3. Oh, let's do it again. 1. Yes, damn. Respectively 1, 2 and 3, 3. And click OK. That's it. After that, accordingly, the entry will take place. That's all. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone.